did you guys make?
We made museum. We did most of it.
And there's a statue right
And
here.
there's also spiders. And we put a panda bun right here.
Panda bun.
2 birds
It's gonna be
eating
an-
or whatever they're doing, drinking.
And then
What
this
did you use?
is-
Did you use slime for this?
Yes,
Yes.
we use putty for it, and then we put
And
some of.
You got
so
the little
I'm gonna
spiders,
play
you
the
got
birds right now.
And we got the panda bun.
I'm gonna
and
this is
our special
Guys,
of the
one
day.
person had time.
I'm
Oh, you found block pen.
I'm gonna play the birds. Yay! Peck peck. Hey, you're not
And
supposed
then
to
these
touch that.
spiders are for the food.
Like this. That means we need to stop the video.
Okay. Peck peck.
That's so cute.
You're not supposed to touch that. You're gonna be abandoned from the museum. Whatever. Get out of the way. Oh. That volcano's gonna erupt if you touch it.
Oh, and then pretend you like, and then stop the video first. And pretend you're stopping it.
Ah! Run!
Panda bun is so
Run!
spicy. And then
Good
if you
job,
guys-
Gideon.
If you guys didn't notice the slime right here.
Say bye.
And also,
Bye.